Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ingredients Inside. If you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any important update. So friends, today I'm gonna review Neutrogena dermatologist recommended wet skin kids beach and pool sunscreen spray broad spectrum SPF 70 plus with Helioplex technology, full strength protection on wet or dry skin, hypoallergic, water resistant, and water resistant for 30 minutes. You can see comment, I love the sunscreen, you can apply wet, so my kids don't even notice when I reapply at the pool. Good, Adriana is a verified purchase. Wow. Neutrogena is the number one sunscreen brand used most often by dermatologists for themselves and their families. So all in all, it's a good product, and Helioplex technology that they have always come up with always makes the sunscreen broad spectrum, protecting them from UVA and UVB. It has unbeatable protection. It is clinically proven. Superior protection you can apply directly on the wet skin. There is no need for dry skin to be dry, and there's no need to dry up your skin. It is a spray form like a deodorant. It is a spray form, you can simply apply it like a deodorant on your skin. Product is very good, and the packaging and the spray form packaging is very nice. With Helioplex technology, they have really made up the product very nice, and oh my god, what an SPF. So if you're thinking that you should be buying this product or no, watch the video till the end so that you come to know that you should be buying this product or not. So let's get started. Neutrogena has been an older brand in the market. They have really made nice products in the market ever since. They have also produced really good products in the market since a very long time, and Neutrogena being an older brand, they have made really nice product. Neutrogena has this product. When I talk about this product, SPF 50 is a decent SPF, and all in all, the SPF 70 is a decent SPF. Probably higher side, probably on the higher side. SPF 70 is very on the higher side. So Neutrogena is definitely recommended from my side, and definitely recommended for kids as well, and with nice ingredients. Their helioplex technology that they've come up with, that would probably give you broad spectrum protection, protecting you from UVA and UVB both. Broad spectrum sunscreen is very good sunscreen, and sprayed kind of sunscreen, something to spray on even on wet surfaces. Wet skin is also one of its kind. So if you are thinking that you should be buying this sunscreen or no, it's a good product, probably on the expensive side. If you want to buy this product, it is definitely recommended from my side to buy this product. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.